Okay, this is our factoring test review. Number 1 says the area of a rectangular garden is given by this trinomial, x squared plus x minus 42. X squared plus x minus 42. We need to build a box. And in that box, we're going to put x squared, negative 42. Now we know there's an x here and here. We want to list the factors of 42. Negative 1, 42, 1, negative 42, 2 and negative 21, negative 2 and 21. Maybe I got my calculator here. $14 and 3. 4 won't go in there. 5 won't go in there. 42 divided by 6. 6 and 7. Now you want to pick the pair. It's going to give you a positive 1 in the middle. So that's going to be this pair, negative 6 and 7. So it's minus 6 plus 7. So which of these would you choose? A. It's number 1. Number 2 says the area of rectangular painting is given by x squared plus 4x minus 60. What are the possible dimensions? Well, we're going to look and see which of these would you be able to multiply and get a negative 60. 6 and negative 10, negative 6 and 10. Both of them would work. Which would give you positive 4 if you combined them in the middle? Well, this would give you negative 4. This one would give you positive 4. So that answer choice is B. Number 3 says the area of a rectangular barnyard is given by 4x squared plus 8x minus 21. When the leading number is not a 1, then you use what's called the AC method. You come over here and you multiply 4 times negative 21. You get negative 84. You want the factors of negative 84 that are going to add together to give you 8. So here we go. We're going to start our list. 84 divided by 1 is 84. That's not going to give me 8. 84 divided by 2 is 42. 84 divided by 3 is 28. Not going to be 8 units apart. 4, 21. 84 divided by 6, 14. So 6 and 14 are my numbers. One of them needs to be negative. Which one? Well, I want the 8 to be positive when I'm done, so I'm going to need the 6 to be negative so that when I combine them, I get a positive 8. Now here's the next step. 4x squared minus 6x, that's what's in the circle, I need the minus in there with it, plus 14x minus 21. Then you need to focus on these, factor out the common part, which is 2x. So 2x times 2x give you 4x squared. 2x times 3 is going to give you 6. So it's 2x minus 3 plus, what's over here? 7 times 2x minus 3. So this factors into 2x minus 3 times 2x plus 7, which is answer choice B for number 3. Number 4 says what is the factored form? And it is d squared minus 19d plus 90. Well, remember, you're going to draw your box. D squared and 90. Now, that sign is positive, which tells me that these two items have different signs. One's positive and one's negative. We know there's a 1 here and here. Factors of 90, that would give you 19. Well, you've got negative 1 and 90, 1 and negative 90, 2 and 45, 3 and 30. 4, will 4 go into 90? Probably not. No. 5 will go in there 18 times. 6 go into 90 15 times. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, and they're both negative, so I need both of these to be negative on this. So there was really no need listing every single one. The one I need is right there, negative 9 and negative 10. It's going to give me negative 10D, negative 9D. Together that's going to make negative 19. So this factors into D minus 9 times D minus 10. That's number 4. Number 5. Number 5 says 6G squared plus 5G minus 6. Now we're going to do this using the AC method. This is A and this is C. And I'm going to multiply them together and I get negative 36. And I want to find factors of negative 36 that are going to add up to be 5. Now the factors of negative 36 are going to be 1 positive and 1 negative. And you've got 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, 6 and 6. And you could have these be negative, or you could have the same list and those be negative. Now which one's going to give you positive 5 in the middle? That one right there. So when you come over here, 6G squared plus, doesn't matter what I put in there, I'm going to put that 9 right there, 9G minus 4G minus 6. Now I'm going to factor out what they have in common. We'll look right there. I'm going to take out 3G. It's going to leave me with 2G plus 3. These are both negative. I'm going to take out a negative 2. It's going to leave me with 2G plus 3. So this factors into 2G plus 3 times 3G minus 2. That's number 5. Number 6 says find the product. So we're throwing this back to what we were doing in the last section, which says J plus 7 times J minus 7. So we're going to multiply the first term times the first term. We get J squared. And then J times negative 7 is going to be negative 7J. And then 7 times J is positive 7J minus 49. Now you'll notice that these are going to combine and make a 0. So this is J squared minus 49. That's number 6. Number 7 says 4P minus 6 times 4P plus 6. Now you'll notice that on 6 and 7, these things in the parentheses are the same. The only thing that's different is the plus and the minus sign. So let's see what happens to number 7. We're going to multiply here. We're going to get 16P squared plus 24P minus 24P minus 36. Now these in the middle are going to make 0 again, and we get 16P squared minus 36. When that happens and you multiply these two binomials and you end up with just two terms, this is called the difference of squares. Okay, the difference of squares, and that's number 7. Number 8. Number 8 says 4m squared minus 5 times 4m squared plus 5. It's also going to work out this way. Let's see what happens here. We're going to multiply together. 4 times 4 is going to be 16. M squared times m squared is going to give me m to the 4th. Then 4 times 5 is going to give me 20 m squared. Then I'll do here. Negative 5 times 4 is negative 20 m squared minus 25. And the 2 in the middle, again, will cancel. It's going to give me 16 m to the 4th minus 25. Okay, I'm going to end this first video because it's been 10 minutes and I'm going to start a new one. So be sure that you look at the parts you need and go on to the next video.